Hey guys, this is a quick setup and unboxing video. So sorry about the shakiness, but I just wanted to make a quick video so you guys can see this thing. So this case is actually not too pricey. Get it online. So first of all, let's just take it out. As you can see, it comes with this key. It's looks like an Allen key, pretty standard Allen key. And yeah, from what I know from these cases, that's the only way to open up the case is with the Allen key. So keep that in mind. You guys cannot open up the case without the Allen key. If you lose that Allen key, don't worry about it. As you can see, here are the screws. Let me just get a close-up. There we go. As you can see the screws all the way around. Okay. And that's how the back looks like. Just a bit of dust here. Alright, down here. On the sides. So everything's covered. This is rubber. Okay, feels like rubber. It is rubber. And then we got this metal. All of this looks like actual metal, and it is. I can see that it is. I know it's painted on. So usually when you paint over, this comes off pretty easy. And from what I've seen in other cases, it will come off easy. However, you guys can just scratch it all out later on, and then it's actually gonna look okay that way. So that's something that's gonna happen. I know that's gonna happen, and it's still gonna look okay. Alright, camera. So it should fit okay. So now I'm gonna set it up, and hopefully that's easy. So I'm gonna use their Allen key to open this up. So again, I'm doing this just with one hand. I know. But my tripod's upstairs, and I'm just not gonna get. So I'm just gonna take out one screw so you guys can see how it looks like. Screw how tiny it is. I'm just gonna take out all the others really fast. Okay, so I took out the screws. That's how many screws you got. Alright, so you guys can see them here. By the way, speaker, you guys can kind of see there. That one is supposed to come off from there. Anyways, let's just open this. Let me just focus my camera as well. There we go. So this is the part that I particularly don't like myself. Don't like when there's this glass. For some of you this is great, but I already got a glass cover for my iPhone. Don't need this. I will mess around with it. I'll see how good it is. But usually that's something I don't like. I like getting my own screen protector and not something that comes with this, together with this. However, just like all screen protectors that come with cases, I can see that it's glued down, so it's gonna be easy to take off. Okay, so that's just the first glance at it. So let's just take this out. Let's get this with it. It's good. Not the greatest quality. And we get 2 extra screws. Can be very useful. And then we got this. That's just filler. And then as you can see, it's all rubber inside. So that's great, because that means my iPhone will not get scratched. Some cases don't have rubber, they have like other material which scratches your phone. That's the main reason you're getting this case. So as you guys can see, the iPhone fits perfectly in here. We have access to the button. Let me just show you the camera. So here's the camera, right? I can see that there will be no problem with that. And yeah, I have a friend who got this case already, so he showed me that there's no problems with the camera whatsoever, and it's a really good case. That's the main reason I got this, or else I wouldn't trust it, especially because back in the day, signal wise, if you've got anything that's aluminum or metal on your phone, it would just screw up your whole signal. So something that I worry about. You can see this should take off. There we go. Yeah, I wouldn't keep this on. I know it's got, okay, let me just show you guys. So I know it's got some stuff there that it'll let the sound come out from here, but I particularly don't think that should be there, so I took it out. However, you guys can just leave that there as is, and that would not be a problem. Okay guys, so it is a little bit tricky to get it in here, but other than that, it's pretty easy. Once you get the hang of it, I'm just gonna put the screws, and that's about it. I just want to show you guys that you do have access. So before I screw this in, you do have access to your headphones right there. You do have access to charge your phone. So once you open that up, that's what it looks like. It's pretty thick. It's pretty good. And then you got, your power button here. Okay, I didn't close this yet, just in case. I didn't put screws, so that's why it looks loose like this. Then you got your volumes, knobs, that they do work perfectly. And yeah, so you got your basics, and that's really all you need. Anyways, that's it for this quick review. I'm gonna put the screws right now, but that's just really quick. I'm just gonna show you how you put them in. So that's one, then you screw it in with your Allen key, and that's about it. Quick tip: when you're installing the case, make sure this button right here, the plastic button, is up. Okay, make sure it's up. And then you guys can close this and then put the screws in. You guys will not have a problem with that. My fingerprint worked just fine. Sensitivity, it's just working fine. Power button works fine. Like I said, this button here, the plastic one, it's just to turn. Let me just show you. There we go. So it's just going to, there we go. Silent or the ringer on, silent and ringer on. Okay, so that's what that's for. And other than that, I have access to everything. And camera, so you guys can see right here, it's fully accessible. Yeah, well, it looks fine. It works fine. I like the case for sure. Anyways, that's how you set this up. If you guys have any questions about the case or where I got it, actually, I'm not gonna tell you where I got it from. I got it from eBay. I can't tell you the seller because he's not sponsoring this or anything like that, so I can't give you a link to it. However, you guys can see if you type in like metal or aluminum cases, heavy duty for iPhone, whether it's a 6, 7, 8, or even the 10, you guys will see this. Yeah, from what I know that my friends got, it does last. This paint job does come off. It doesn't matter what color you guys get, it's gonna come off. And but they do last, so that's the reason why I got it particularly. Okay, anyways, that's it for this unboxing and quick setup video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.